Hey guys, it's your girl Mimi, and in today's video, I bring you something that is very, very interesting. So, you guys know how lonely it gets abroad, especially when you live in a country and all your loved ones live in a different country. Your friends, your old schoolmates, everyone you do care about live abroad. It gets lonely, it gets bored, and of course, let's not forget how expensive it gets to make international calls if you try to keep in touch with everyone. But it doesn't have to be like that, guys, because with YOLLA app, of course you heard me, with YOLLA app, you get to actually make the cheapest calls, okay? You get to make the cheapest call with the lowest rates and no hidden charges or connection fees. And I just feel like this is, oh my God. I downloaded the app on my phone. I've started using the app, guys. And when they reach out to me to bring even more offer to you guys, I'm just like, why not? But let's even talk about other good things about this app. You get to actually see the rates before you make a call. I'm like, you pay the sum that is shown on your screen. Oh yeah, sign me up already, because they are just transparent and there is nothing hidden. So you get to actually see the prices and the rate, of the countries right before you make the calls, and you get to actually enjoy quality HD connections, guys, that never drops. Like when you're making calls and all of a sudden the call just drop in the middle of an important conversations, that can be so annoying. But with YOLLA app, that will never happen because of the quality HD connections that you would enjoy while using the app. Doesn't even get better than that, yes, because you get to keep your original number. So when you call your dad, your mom, everyone else that knows you, your family, your friends, they get to know that, yes, that's Mimi calling, because my number will be showing on the screen. So I don't have to change my number or even purchase a new number within the app. No, my original number, my number that I use on a daily is the same number that I get to use while using the app. I'm like, okay, guys. It's actually interesting because while you're on the YOLLA app, there's a 24 hours, live chat support if you need any help whatsoever navigating anything. Although I feel like it's already very user friendly and quite simple, but should you desire or should you need additional help or support, there's a 24 hours live support that that is just there to answer your questions anytime. Now, of course, it gets better than that. I'm not done. You get to actually top up your family, friends, or anyone that needs credit for over 148 countries, guys. And I'm just like, and you guys, regardless of where that person is, even if there is no coverage, even if there's no network, you'll be able to contact that person because of the YOLLA app, guys. And guess what? That person does not even need to have YOLLA app on their phone for you to be able to reach out to them. And they don't even need a smartphone either, okay? Because with YOLLA app, as long as that person has a device that can receive a call and they don't even have to have the app on their phone, you'll be able to reach out to them even if there is no internet, okay? Because how does it even get more? Does it get better than that? Even if there is no internet where they are, you'll still be able to reach them on their device. It does not matter if it's a smartphone or not. It doesn't even have to be a smartphone for you to be able to reach out to them, guys. But for you, my followers, you get to even enjoy additional 30% discount, when you download the app using the link in the description box below, and you get to put the promo code that I'll be showing on the screen. And the promo code will also be in the description box below, guys, for you. Just put Mimi30 on your phone as you download the app. You get to enjoy additional 30%. Haha. So what if you already have the YOLLA app on your phone and you're just getting to see me? Well, you're not left alone, because you can also enjoy the 30% discount when you put Mimi30, the promo code, and you get to enjoy this till January 2024, guys. So you better start using it right now, guys. But that's not all, guys, because each time you refer a friend to download the YOLLA app, you get additional $3 credit on your phone as soon as your friends make payments on the app. Oh my goodness. So you can keep referring people. Just get your referral code sent to them, let them download the app, and they put your referral code, and you will receive $3 each time they make a payment. I'm like, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? No more excuse, guys, because with YOLLA, you can make international calls, you can call mobile phones, you can call land phones, which is landlines. So you have no excuse. Oh, my father is in the office. Well, you can actually make landline calls and you can call mobile, and you get to make calls even without internet connection. And you get to actually call your friends, your family, your loved ones, regardless of the kind of phones they have. They don't have to have the smartest phone. As long as the device can receive a call, you'll be able to call them. And they don't even have to have internet connection to be able to receive call from you. Can't get better than that. Guys, just check the description box right now and start using that code right now, okay? Because it can't get better than this. Start downloading the app, start making calls. Let me know what you think about the app. I actually want to see, because this is like me saying 100% that you're going to enjoy and you will not find anything cheaper than this. So I want to read from you guys. Let me know in the comment section what your user experience is, guys, because trust me, you are going to love this one.